is actually a great question. So just wanted to ask if parabens in the shampoo are necessary ingredients, that it's possible that they would be removed in the formula in the future. So I get this question actually quite often. And SLS and parabens, and there's a ton of different, opinions on this. And there's been a lot of, I definitely understand, and we knew when we were making this formula that that SLS and parabens are not as popular because of natural bloggers and these things. But SLS is one of the safest, most effective surfactants on the planet. And there's a ton of studies that show it's safe, that it's effective. And it's important to have because, our quality of active ingredients, we need that in a very stable, safe formula. So the SLS, first of all, and I was just in LA and I went to Aesop. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Aesop brand, but a really high quality shampoo brand from Australia. And they use SLS as well. The majority of the highest quality shampoos use SLS. And they're like, I made the shampoo for myself, first of all, because I wanted the most effective, highest quality shampoo possible, not necessarily what's common or what's most popular on the internet right now. So if you read the studies, and SLS can even come from coconut. You can make SLS completely natural from a coconut. But as far as parabens, there's a ton of different parabens, right? So parabens are the I'm going to blank on the preservative. They're the preservative for the ingredients. So there's a lot of different parabens, and there's a ton of research. We are working with some of the most brilliant PhD chemists on the planet. I assure you that it is very safe and it is very effective. And we've been asked this multiple times. I am more than confident that our shampoo is completely safe and effective. And we do not have plans on making any changes. And that's because I am not being swayed by popular belief or bloggers talking about just trying to make polarizing content. I use a shampoo. My mom uses a shampoo, and it is extremely safe and effective.